Hi, welcome to Arabic with Noel. In this course, we will see how we write the letters Arabic. Let's start. The Arabic is writing from right to left. The Arabic letter are joined to each other. Both is printing and handwriting. لكن the verse Arabic تذكرت ليلى والأيام الخوالية. Each letter has a basic form, but modification in their chips occur according to their position in a word, like in the word كتب and the word ذهب. A number of letters share the same chip and are only distinguished by diacritic dots, like in these letters. Let's start with the letter Alif. The A in the initial position, writing like in the word ab, in the medial position like in the word كأس, in the final like in the word خطأ. The letter Ba in the initial position is writing like in the word بيت, in the medial like in the word صبر, in the final position like in the word كتب. The letter Ta is like the letter Ba in the initial position, writing like in the word تلعب, in the medial position like in the word كتبت, in the final position like in the word نامت. The letter Tha is like Ba and Ta. In the initial position is writing like in the word ثلج, in the medial position like in the word لثة, in the final position like in the word بحث. The letter Jim in the initial position is writing like in the word جمل, in the medial position like in the word نجم, and the final like in the word أريج. The letter Ha is like the letter Jim. In the initial position is writing like in the word حب, in the medial position like in the word نحل, in the final like in the word ملح. The letter Kha is like the letter Jim and Ha. In the initial position is writing like in the word خطأ, medial position like in the word مخطوط, in the final position like in the word مخ. The letter Da in the initial position is writing like in the word ديك, in the medial like in the word حديقة, in the final like in the word يد. The letter Da is like the letter Da. In the initial position is writing like in the word ذهب, in the medial position like in the word كذب, in the final position like in the word قنفذ. The initial position, the letter Ra is writing like in the word رجل, in the medial position like in the word برج, in the final position like in the word تمر. The letter Z is like the letter Ra. In the initial position is writing like in the word زمن, in the medial position like in the word ميزان, in the final position like in the word خبز. The letter Sin. The letter Sin in the initial position is writing like in the word safe, in the medial position like in the word masjid, in the final position like in the word جرس. The letter Sha is like the letter Sin. In the initial position, writing like in the word Shams, in the medial position like in the word مشمش, in the final position like in the word وحش. The letter Sad. In the initial position is writing like in the word صيف, the medial like in the word بصل, and the final position like in the word less. The letter Ta is like the letter Sad. In the initial position, I was writing like in the word ضرب, in the medial position like in the word مضرب, in the final position like in the word بيض. The letter Ta is like the letter Da and Sad. In the initial position like in the word طير, in the medial like in the word مطبخ, in the final like in the word بط. The letter Va is like the letter Da and Sad and Ta. In the initial